Hello, welcome everyone. This is Manuel from Kata Studios. Today we're going to learn very important tutorial for web designers. Okay, so we're going to learn about the Wayback Machine. So this is an internet archive that reserves all of the snapshot instances. By the way, if you don't know what snapshot is, it is not like a screenshot. It's more like an advanced screenshot. So what do I mean by that? It's a screenshot that has all the pages available and all the activities available, which means you can even take action in the platform, browse through the platform, check any part of the page in the website during that particular period of time. So we can take ourselves back from 2025 to 2022 or 2002 or 2010 or 27 or 2013, any of these day, and select a specific date during that particular date, and then we will see the website during that particular date. Now we select specific date based on the updates these websites have done during this period of time. I hope you understand it. So to make it very clear for you, to make it clear to understand all of these things that are scrolling are different websites in the past. This is BuzzFeed, their past website. This is these are more popular platform. NFL, this is their past website. See how ugly that is. That is when you have time, you can click on them. You can actually browse through. Now, the data privacy here is that if you input your website here already, it is available and it can showcase here. So you should bear that one in mind. And I will tell you the use cases and what I use this particular tool or machine to do and how it helps me my business on a very large scale, right? So we're going to type in facebook.com. I want to just give you a major update or major insight so you understand better what is going on. So we're going to go over now. When you see, let me explain this very clearly. When you see a circle being too large, it means there are more updates during that day. On the first, they had 3 updates on the first. Okay, but when it is smaller, it is 1 update for that day. When you see it green, you see it is a positive update. Like it's not a bug fix, it's a positive update. Now we are going to go over and we select 2007 and we are selecting 4. You can actually scroll through all of these dates. You can say 2012 and select any of the dates. I want to go very back so you can see what Facebook login detail or login page looks like. I'm not going to log in because I don't even understand what's up. So we are going to go to this January 4th and we're going to go to their first update, right? So this is what Facebook looks. You see how ugly Facebook looks. Put your email here, you put your password, and then you log in from here. You get? So you see what it looks right now. So let's go and see what Facebook looks right now. We click on the major update, which is this date from here. And let's see Facebook right now. So we are having an error to initiate that, right? So let's go back to the Wayback Machine. And I think I'm having a little network. So you see, you are temporarily blocked because it's not actually wanting to grant me that access. You get? So this is what Facebook looks like. Okay, allow the user to use cookies and all of that. See how ugly Facebook look how it looks. These are some of the things that you can see. So we allow cookies, then we can put our email here, put our password. This is the latest updates based off on that period we selected. Let's go back to the Wayback Machine. And here we are going to type in my website, katastudios.com. And by the way, while the website loads, let me open my website so you see what my website looks like right now. Okay, this is what it looks like right now. So we'll go back to the Wayback Machine and we have only update on 2023 because I purchased this new domain in 2023. If I entered Kata Graphics, this was my previous domain name, and you see we have the website from 2021. Let's see if that is available because the website itself it have expired. Like I am no more using the website. I don't know if it's going to populate that. It actually populated, just another WordPress website. So this is my website and this is the logo that we used back then. You see how everything, this is my icon here. Let's go back to this date. Let's go to this date. Okay. Then in my website I was using this. So hello world. You see, right from time I never used themes or templates. So we are building from scratch, as you can see from there. Packed domain. So the website itself have been actually packed from here, which means this is the time the website was expired. So let's go to Kata Studios. .com. So any website at all, even if it's your client's website, you can check that out here. This is what Qatar Studios looks like right now, and we are going to see what Qatar Studios look like back then. I'm going to teach you guys the use cases where I use this, and I'm going to give you example, do an example of that for you so you understand better. So we're having a slight network issue. Perfect. So there were many times I had issues with my website. So this is 2025. So let's go back to 2023 when I first purchased this. Perfect. This was the same time we were building up the platform. This was still the same time we are building up the platform. So you see some of the content we have in the front of the website, and it was buggy and all of that. Let's go back. So this is my client website. This is an instance I want to show you. Okay, this is my client website. It's in Africa, and this is the newly designed website. And by the way, you can't check this out now because it's still in coming soon mode, but the website is completed and waiting for clients revision. Okay, so we're going to copy this link and we're going to find out what this link looks like a couple of days ago, and I'm going to tell you why I actually use this for this particular link. So go to Team A Africa. So we want to go back to 2022, right? Okay, let's go to 2024 because even then it was 2025 we start building the website. So we'll go to January 2nd, 2024. So it loads. So bear in mind, this is what the website looks like right now. Very beautiful and sleek and very interactive. This is what the website looks like then. You see the difference? This is what the website looks like. So she built this herself and she tried her best. So now this is the use case. You see, right now we can click on contact us now. We get to the contact us page. We didn't even get to contact us page. Let's go to get started. Okay. So you can browse through the website as if it is a normal website. You see, I can fill my form here, fill my name, fill the form, do everything I want to do here, everything as normal as we actually will be able to do on a normal information platform. You get the point, right? Let's go back. You can go to About Us. This is the About Us. All programs, contact us. You get the point. So why I use this Wayback Machine in most cases is if I built a website for a client and we destroyed the website and the client want me to pick an information or two from the existing website, because whenever we use a domain name we transfer a domain name from a host to another host, we get into the issue, which is the case for this lady. We get into the issue of losing the data or information or even the design of that website from that old host. So when you transfer a host from a particular host to a new host, forget about the design you did in that particular one. It is done and it is gone. It remains in that host until that host expires. Unless you transfer a new domain there and connect that design to that domain, it will not show anymore. Okay? So since we finish building the website and the client may want us to pick some information from there, what we need to do is go to Wayback Machine and use the Wayback Machine to figure out what the website looks like back then. Right? If we figure out what the website looks like, it is now easy for us to pick information, copy information. See, we can copy information here, we can screenshot. Even in most cases, I also use it for before and after. So if I want to show people what the website looks like before, I want to show them what it looks like after the design of the website. So I can go back to the Wayback Machine, put in the link and then search the website, then get a screenshot of what I want, and then we are good to go. I hope you understand that. So these are two use cases where I use the Wayback Machine. There are many instances you may want to use it. For instance, you want to show your future clients how the website you have built for a client, how it was looking before you actually transitioned it to what it looks like. Comparing this to this. This look modern and sleek, and comparing it to this. When they see it, maybe you are on a video call with them or Google Meet call and you show them this, so this is what it looks like and this is what the same website looks like. When you open this already, they will be very amazed. This is a selling point and this makes it more easier for you to sell your services even more faster than just talking. Okay? So these are three use cases. There are many use cases I could go on talking on and on and on and on. Possibly you want to do a presentation and stuff like that. You can also use this as a use case to show what a website could be and what you can actually do when handling clients' websites. Okay, so this is just it about the Wayback Machine. If you have any question, drop in the comment section. If you have any issue, let me know in the comment section. And by the way, remember, if you are in this particular instance, you can also go here, fill in a new domain name from here. Okay, you can fill in a new domain name from here, and you're good to go. Let me find one more. Let's go to your wellness clinic. Okay, let's use this one. Copy. Let's paste here. Just want to try one more. Okay, so this shows us from 2024. Let's see what this shows us. This should show us the most recent page. We are going to also log that in here so you can also see what that page looks like. We designed this for the client, by the way, also, and this is what the website looks like compared to what it's going to look like when we open here. So give it a little time, we're going to see. So this is the website. This is the website, and you can see the new design and what it looks like. You can see the new design. So we are going to go back to the issue. Okay, now I remember. The issue is that they didn't design this website with this domain name. Now listen and listen carefully. They didn't design this website with this domain name. This domain was actually generated when we wanted to design the new website. So we only see the latest version which we designed, which is the one we see from here, right? So if a client built a website with a different domain name outside what you are building with, you can't find it with that new domain. That new domain can only show you the website on the last instance of updates. It will show you the website when from a different domain. So if a client have a different domain, you get that different domain, do the Wayback, and then show the other clients the new website or what it looks like. Okay, so their website domain name previously wasn't your wellness clinic, and I can't even remember that. It was like a short form of this. I was the one who advised her to use this long form, so now I remember clearly. So try out as many websites as you can, any website at all, Facebook, Instagram, whatever platform you want to try out. You are going to see how the websites are going to look like. So if you have any question, like I said, drop in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this, you'll be getting very more interesting tutorials or lessons like this for website designers and brand identity designers. Also in business, client regulation, client conflict and conflict resolution, client retention, client acquisition, and so on and so forth. You can check out some of the videos. As you can see, if you want to actually check more videos, check the videos you can see beneath this particular thumbnail. See this video here. You can watch this also to also learn some important things on website development. So do have a wonderful day. Once again, my name is Kata from Manuel from Kata Studios. Enjoy the rest of your week.